muffin. No muffin. No muffin niya eh. There is in Kalibo. Muffin. No muffin here. Oo, in the Canada. La 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 la. Yeah.
Tayo pinapili siya kung pink or black. Black daw. Ayaw niya yung pink na card. Ganda naman yung mayor. Hey, mayor. Show daddy.
Sa camera, sa amin naman sa lamin.
Ganda ni mayor. Wala look, oh. You're pretty. Say thank you, Tito.
No. I want to go. No.
Ay! No pushing, Bella. You stay here, oh. You stay here with Tito Ikoy.
I want to come here.
Narinig mo kanina, nagbabay siya sa'yo. Bye, Dindin. Bye, Dindin. Bye. See you later. Ay, may again, gali di ka ron? You're what? Which one? Show mommy. Where are you? Okay. I'm eating.
No.
Why?
I can eat it.
Which one?
That would be boxes.
Oh, the boxes. You don't need the boxes. Why do you need to bring the boxes?
Boxes.
We're not gonna bring the boxes, huh?
No, bags. Up here.
Oh.
Thank you. Mommy,
Mm.
how much is it?
Ang dami mo namang dala, be.
Dami. Mom, I want to bring the boxes.
Okay.
They finished all them.
All of them? Eh, garbage na yan eh.
No. Mommy,
Mm.
Mommy.
Mm.
Mom,
Mm.
I finished. Yeah.
Mm.
Now bring this.
Alis ka na, be?
Yeah.
Okay, paalam ka na kay Lolo and Lola. Say bye-bye na kay Lolo and Lola.
Bye, Wawa.
Okay, let's go.
I done eating.
Not yet. Why? You called me, remember? Bukas pa yung flight natin eh. Tomorrow morning.
No.
Tomorrow morning is the plane.
No.
That's why mommy's preparing our bag. So, we're gonna sleep later and then tomorrow we're gonna ligo and we're gonna go to the airport.
Not me go.
Why? I don't like to ligo. Huh? I don't like to ligo, my loves. Habebs?
I don't like a no we go. Oh yes we go.
Be, pagod na pagod ka na, B.
Yes. Next time, is it ready?
Hmm?
Mom, ikaw airport next time.
Okay, babe. O, ready mo na yung bag mo. Bring it outside na.
No, I love you.
Dapa ka na, B.
It's thin. Mommy,
Hmm.
I want to play.
Okay. Malawak? Just slowly, slowly. Gaya mo si Lola mag-walk. Parang natatail.
Okay na, okay na. Sige.
Parang natatail lang. Loka-loka. Paano sa maglakad si Wawa?
Paano maglakad si Muma? Paano? Iwan-iwan na din. Mahulog ka.
Parang pagong.
Ay, Bella. Aroy, ah. Bella, oh. Ilang oras na lang.
Pwede lagyan ng picture yung ano mo ah. Yung camera mo.
Profile.
Bella,
Oo.
profile picture. Say I love you. Hug na ulit kay Kuya Abin. Ayaw niya kasi hindi ka naligo. Oo. Dineded mo. Are you gonna miss Kuya Abin? Say Kuya Abin, I'm gonna miss you. Mm. Hmm?
They're playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're playing.
Ay, may dog.
Dad! How come the dog?
Iba yung ngiti niya pag nanasabi. Who do you love? Kuya Abin or Jacob? Kuya Abin naman na. Sa lawahan. Who do you love? Kuya Tom Tom, Kuya Jacob, or Kuya Abin?
Huwag ka na umakyat, Bella. Pugi-pugi, ah.
Birthday akong classmate.
Ah, kaya pala pogi.
May regalo ka.
Mom, that's my first birthday.
Mamaya mo na ihatid.
Then,
Yun, mamaya na.
oh no, these are like they say.
What's that?
May baril ako.
Kay Kuya Abin yan eh.
With mom, dad.
Yeah.
My.
Oh, yabang ni Kuya Abin ah. Pulis ka.
Bye, guys.
Look, batang kaya po si Kuya Abin, Bella oh. Si Tanggol.
Bye,
Yeah.
Why, guys?
Yeah.
But how are you guys?
Where's your water? Nasa yung water gun yun ay. Dadalhin niya yan. Di pa...
Bili kita nag-iwad-iwad yun.
Bella, paano mag-walk si Lola? Paano? Kuya Abin, paano mag-walk si Lola, baby? Yung foot mo kasi ang laki. Bella, paano walk ni Lola? Ayun.
O, base nunggab ka rin karon sa ano nga ron ha?
Let's go. Excited naman tong isang to.
Ano kasi doon doon?
Tawa kasi ang tawa. O, doon ka sa harap na katabi ni Bella.
Wala ka nakalimutan.
Okay ako? Oo.
You like it?
Yeah.
Hindi marunong. No, you stay there. Ay, naku, Bella. Gitero ka tayo.
Doon kay Lola Gaya.
Bella, say bye-bye. Antayin natin sila umalis. Come here. Bella, watch your step. Watch your step. Baba mo na baba.
Tumaytang stop dyan niyo eh. Huwag ko gulong ba?
Say bye-bye, Lola.
Yes, lang dyan.
Say I love you, Lola.
I love you, Wawa.
And what about Lolo?
Bye, Wawa. See you later.
Let's go na.